I was once a young man, full of fire and dreams, running down the highway of life's rushing streams. I laughed in the sunshine, I cried through the rain. I carried my memories, my joy and my pain. Now the years lie behind me like leaves turn to gold. I was once so young, but now I'm old. And in the quiet hours, when this world is still, I can hear heaven calling from over the hill. I can hear heaven calling, calling out my name, past the clouds of sorrow, past this world of pain. There's a light that's shining on that bright eternal shore, and I know my blessed Savior waits beyond the door. I was once young, but now I'm growing old, and I can hear heaven calling my soul. I've walked through the valleys, I've climbed mountains high, I've prayed through the midnight with tears in my eyes. But the Lord has been faithful through each passing year. In my darkest hour, He was always near. Now my steps are slower and my hands may tremble cold. I was once young, but now I'm old. But there's peace like a river deep in my soul, 'cause I can hear heaven calling me home. I can hear heaven calling, calling out my name, past the clouds of sorrow, past this world of pain. There's a light that's shining on that bright eternal shore, and I know my blessed Savior waits beyond the door. I was once young, but now I'm growing old, and I can hear heaven calling my soul. I can hear heaven calling, calling out my name, past the clouds of sorrow, past this world of pain. There's a light that's shining on